Right, just to show you now, this is the whole sub-assembly together that lives inside the Fuba casing. There's my new motor in place. There's the strengthening plate that I've put in to help with the torque of the motor. There's the two screws that hold it in place. There's now the gear against the worm drive there, which all fits nicely. And then the control plate sits on this plastic housing, and it just slots in two holders. Those are the two new transistors that I put in, and I checked all the workings of it before I connected the motor up, and the relays are working perfectly now. And it had a 12-volt supply on it for 2 days and it didn't misbehave one bit, so I think I can take it that that's fixed now. So so basically the cost was £7 for a new motor. Just had the issue with changing the worm drive off the shaft of the other motor, but that was easy enough once I'd heated it up, and the couple of transistors that I replaced on the board, and now it's all ready to go back into the Fuba body. Okay, so we've got the gubbins back inside the casing now. I'm just going to test it again on the 3 terminals there. When we put the power probe onto both terminals, the aerial goes up like that, and it'll cut off, and then just the one terminal to bring it back down like that. Now then, it works. The only thing really with it is I've put a 15,000 RPM motor in, which I think is probably a bit high. I'm going to swap it out for a 10,000 RPM motor, same price, £7, from the same seller. So I think I'll probably do that. I'm going to strip it all back down anyway now to give it a service and a clean and a greasing up. But that's basically it. The motor and the transistors, and it's fixed.